Okay, just got this out of the freezer. About 20 minutes. If it's not firm to the touch like this in 20 minutes, then you need to leave it in for another 5 or 10 minutes until you can go like this and nothing happens. Then you take your scraper, start on the sides, and you just scrape some of that buttercream off. Down here. Now on the sleeves, be gentle. You don't want to pull too much because remember, those are pieces of cake that you added on there. So once you get all the way around, then you go ahead and you take some more of the soft buttercream and you want to pop it back on the cake. I'll just do 2 areas at a time, so that and then smooth it. What that does is it fills in the little holes, the little gaps in the buttercream. Makes it nice and smooth. And then we'll go ahead and do the same thing on top. We'll go ahead and scrape that on the whole top. And then we will put the extra buttercream. And when you get to this point, what you want to do is take a piece of acetate paper, okay, or cake collars, some people call it. You can get it at a cake supply store, and you just want to cup it and go around the edge and smooth out the edge. Okay, see, so I'm cupping it like this, my thumb like this, my fingers like this, and smooth out those edges. Okay. Okay, I'm going to clean this off and I'll go over it one more time.